Oh. Nice.
The dog is I mean, you can see why people just shoot them on sight.
Brian,
Yeah.
Richard. Oh, Thomas. Must be in such pain.
Yeah, well, animals goes in what is called a sort of a freeze.
Freeze, yeah.
Yeah, the pain actually goes up like that. Now pain has gone, they can't feel anything.
He's kind of numb.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the stuff pouring out.
I'm not sure. How do you read over?
Oh, they're in the hernia sac. They should bleed to death now.
I know. I hope
You
so.
hope.
Please get some.
Mondoro Bay is for mobile. Confirm you managed to talk to Marshall, over?
Negative, over. I've tried to get hold of him, but there's no any response, over.
Roger that.
Oh, Marshall is not answering.
No.
I think I've got most of my chip filled with video.
I've got so many pictures.
You got a video of him in the truck.
Huh?
You got a video of him in the truck.
The whole video of that.
Have you?
Including the ocean.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in the
Hit the truck and we hit the anthill.
I knew we hit the anthill. but we
The
didn't.
truck okay, Sebastian?
Did he hit it?
He did, yes.
Oh, yeah. He's slamming it. Guys, I think he's in a fall scene.
Did he put a dent in it?
No,
No.
it's a booba.
Fall scene.
Oh,
So
that
he's-
poor thing.
They're well inside of him now.
I was so.
I'm just saying that would be a
I'm-
pretty cute scar to have.
It's going to fall down
Oh,
now.
he's about to go.
Yeah, the legs are gone now.
He's hemorrhaging.
So much from
Oh,
his
he's
friends
hemorrhaging.
helping him.
Oh,
His hope.
oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Poor
Oh. Oh. Man, that's gotta suck.